Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to create a mission using the Mission Wizard. The Mission Wizard allows you to create a complete mission with ready-to-play challenges in just a few short steps. The first thing you'll want to do is come up with your mission name. Once you've selected a name, you can head to the next step. In step 2, you'll want to select a field agent. Your field agent will act as a guide for your players as they are playing your mission. You can use our default field agent, or you can select from our list of other basic field agents. Once you've selected a field agent that you'd like to use, you can head to step 3. In this next step, you'll want to create your welcome message. The welcome message will be shared by your field agent, and it will be the first message that pops up when players go to play your mission. You can use our default message, or you can come up with something of your own. Once you're happy with it, you can head to the next step. We're halfway there. The next step is to add a mission loading image. This image will appear on the loading screen when players go to play your mission in the app. To add a loading image, select the More Actions button and scroll down to choose a file from your computer. Once you are happy with the picture you've chosen, head on to the next step. Now that we have our loading image, we can add in a mission list thumbnail. The thumbnail image will appear in your list of available missions in the Agents of Discovery app. You can either use the default thumbnail image, or you can upload your own the same way that we added our loading image, by selecting the More Actions button and choosing a file from your computer. Use a photo that represents your mission. This may be a sign or a picture that is specific to your mission's site. Once you have selected an image that you're happy with, head to the next step. Next, you'll want to create your mission map. The first thing you'll want to do is enter your address or location where you would like to place your mission. To add your mission map, double-click somewhere on the map. You can drag and drop the square to wherever you would like your mission map to be placed. You can also resize your mission map boundaries by clicking and dragging the outer edges. Once you are happy with the placement of your mission map, head to the next step. We can now start adding challenges to our mission. To preview ready-made challenges pulled straight from the challenge library, click on the challenge name. To add challenges to your mission, select the Add button next to the challenges that you wish to include. You can see that as I'm adding challenges to my mission, the challenge icons will appear within my map boundaries. To move the challenge, click and drag the challenge icons to place them somewhere within your map boundaries. To look at the scan radius, toggle the scan radius on in the top right-hand corner of your map. The scan radius represents the area in which players will need to be in order to reveal the challenge. Once you are happy with the placement of your challenges, head to the next and final step. The last thing you'll need to do is select Publish or Save. If you publish your mission, it will instantly publish your mission to the Agents of Discovery app, and it will immediately be available for play by users. If you save your mission, it will save as a draft in your mission list. You can always go back and edit any of the information within your mission. And that is how you create a mission using the Mission Wizard. You can find more tutorial videos like this one on our YouTube page.